Starting in the great name of Allah, the granter of greatness, the destroyer of delights. Unit 2.1 I Have a Dream. Martin Luther King Jr. is in progress. Dear students, before starting the lecture, let me say I Have a Dream is a declamation. What's declamation? What's the difference between declamation and debate? A debate is a formal discussion on a specific topic where individuals present opposing views. On the other hand, a declamation is a formal speech that contains a lot of emotion. Dear students, any speech that's delivered with passion and strong emotion could be considered as declamation. In last lecture, I said Martin Luther King Jr. led about 2,50,000 people to Lincoln Memorial in order to cash a check, the check of freedom, liberty, in pursuit of happiness. Let's read this paragraph. But there is something that I must say to my people who stand on the way, who stand on the warm threshold. Dear students, on the threshold of is an idiom, means starting a new stage in your life or having a new experience. Here, threshold means doorstep. Martin Luther envisions the palace of justice, leads. Dear students, there is a question for you. What does the sentence he could lead if he would get the lead out mean? In the process of gaining our rightful place, we must not be guilty of wrongful deeds. It means we must be peaceful. We should not be violent. Let's not seek to satisfy our thirst for freedom by drinking from the cup of bitterness and hatred. Bitterness, the opposite of bitterness is sweetness. Our response should be full of love. We must forever conduct our struggle on the high plane of dignity. Conduct means carry on. Our struggle on the high plane of dignity. Plane means standard. We must not allow our creative protest to degenerate. Degenerate means to worsen, to deteriorate into physical violence. Again and again, we must rise to a majestic heights of meeting physical force with soul force. We should not be violent. We should be polite. The marvelous new militancy which has engulfed. Militancy means the state of being aggressiveness, ready to take violent action. Marvelous new makes militancy somewhat seem to have positive meaning. As a whole, it means the whites are oppressors. They try to stop the march which has engulfed means swallowed up. The Negro community must not lead us to distrust. Distrust means mistrust of all white people. For many of our white brothers, as evidenced by their presence here today, they have come, they are supporting us, have come to realize that their destiny is tied up with our destiny and their freedom is inextricably means inseparably, bound means sure to our freedom. We cannot walk alone. Look at the next paragraph. And as we walk, Martin Luther King Jr. says, if you cannot fly, then run. If you cannot run, then walk. If you cannot walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. We must make the pledge. Pledge means promise that we shall march ahead. We cannot turn back. There are those who are asking the devotees. Devotees means followers of civil rights. When will you be satisfied? We can never be satisfied as long as the Negro is the victim, means fall a prey to PREY, or sufferer of the unspeakable horrors. Unspeakable means indescribable or beyond description. Horrors mean terror or police brutality. Brutality means cruelty. We can never be satisfied as long as our body is heavy with the fatigue. Fatigue means tiredness of travel. Cannot gain lodging. Lodging. There is a phrase lodging and boarding. What does lodging and boarding mean? Lodging refers to accommodate or to stay on rent. Boarding including accommodation as well as food facilities also. A guest house in which the guests are provided with meals and lodging is known as boarding house. They both differ in the sense that boarding provides lodging as well as food facilities. Another difference between them is that lodging is usually related to short stay, whereas boarding refers to a longer stay. Motels mean a roadside hotel on the highways and the hotels of the cities. The Negroes were not allowed to enter motels and hotels. We cannot be satisfied as long as the Negroes' basic mobility means movement, is from a smaller ghetto. Ghetto means a part of a city occupied by minority group to a larger one. We can never be satisfied as long as a Negro in Mississippi cannot vote. They were also deprived of their of casting vote. They were deprived of their the right of casting vote. And a Negro in New York believes he has nothing for which to vote. No, we are not satisfied, and we will not be satisfied until justice rolls down and flows down like waters, and righteousness, good deeds, good traits, like a mighty stream. This paragraph, in this paragraph, Martin Luther King Jr. says to the Negroes, to the march participants, that they should not be violent, they should be peaceful, they should respond positively. And this paragraph is the answer to the question asked by the people, when will you be satisfied? Here the answer is given in detail. This is all for today, and I will be back with the new video soon, inshallah.